In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML to your WordPress.com site. Whether you're looking to personalize your site with specific code or embed custom functionalities, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, making it easy for you to inject a bit of personal flair into your online presence. Let's begin by heading over to WordPress.com. Open your preferred browser and search for the WordPress.com login page. This is your starting point. Once there, you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, follow the prompts to access your WordPress.com account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Think of this as the central hub for managing your website. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Pages section, which you can find on the left-hand menu. This part of the interface allows you to manage and edit existing pages or create new ones. For today's tutorial, let's focus on editing an existing page. Click on Pages and then select All Pages to view a list of pages you currently have on your WordPress site. From there, choose a page that you'd like to customize with your HTML. Click on the Edit link under the page title to open up the editing interface. This is where you can start getting creative with your content. In the editing interface, you'll notice a plus icon in the top left or right corner. Click on this icon to add a new block. WordPress operates with a block system, making it super straightforward to incorporate various types of content. Now, in the search box that appears after you click the plus icon, type in HTML. This search will yield a custom HTML block. Select this option to incorporate a space where you can write or paste in your HTML code. Once you've clicked on Custom HTML, a blank field will appear where you can paste your desired HTML code. This is your canvas. Whether you're embedding a widget, a form, or a piece of interactive content, paste your code into this box. Remember, you can often preview how your code looks by clicking the preview button available in the block, ensuring everything appears as expected before going live. Once you've added your HTML and you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes. Hit the Save button to update your page. This is a crucial step to make sure all your hard work is preserved and visible on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom HTML to your WordPress.com site. By following these straightforward steps, you've unlocked a new level of customization that allows you to tailor your site exactly to your liking. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.